Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. This is going to be session 10 for the series AWS AI Practitioner Certificate Questions AIF-C01. So we are going to start this video with our 91st question of this series. An ML research team develops custom ML models. The model artifacts are shared with other teams for integration into product and services. The ML team retains the model training code and data. The ML team want to build a mechanism that the ML team can use to audit models. Which solution should the ML team use when publishing the custom ML models? And here are the options. Create documents with the relevant information. Store the document in Amazon S3. Use AWS AI Service Card for transparency and understanding models. Option C. Create Amazon SageMaker model card with intended use and training and inference details. Option D. Create model training scripts. Commit the model training script to a Git repository. Take your time to guess the correct answer here. And the correct answer here will be option C. Create Amazon SageMaker model card with intended uses and training and inference details. Because Amazon SageMaker card provides a standardized and centralized way to document key details about a machine learning model. This includes intended use, training and inference details, performance metrics and ethical considerations. So these cards enable ML team to maintain transparency, track audit details and share relevant information with other teams when publishing models. So option C is correct here. Now question number 92. A software company builds tool for customers. The company wants to use AI to increase software development productivity. Which solution meet these requirements? Here are the options. Use a binary classification model to generate code reviews. Install code recommendation software in the company's developer tools. Install a code forecasting tool to predict potential code issues. Option D. Use a natural language processing tool to generate code. Take your time to guess the answer. And the correct answer here will be option B. Install code recommendation software in the company's developer tool. Because code recommendation tools can be helpful, but they are often focused on suggesting improvement or alternatives to existing code rather than generating new code from scratch. While useful, it may not provide the same level of productivity boost as an NLP based code generation tool. So option B is correct here. And now question number 93. A retail store wants to predict the demand for a specific product for next few weeks by using Amazon SageMaker Deep AR forecasting algorithm. Which type of data will meet these requirements? Here are the options. Text data. Option B. Image data. Option C. Time series data. Option D. Binary data. And the correct answer here will be option C. Time series data. Because Amazon SageMaker Deep AR forecasting algorithm is specifically designed for the time series forecasting, where the goal is to predict future values based on historical data. So option C, time series data, is the correct answer here. Now question number 94. A large retail bank wants to develop an ML system to help the risk management team decide on loan allocation for different demographics. What must the bank do to develop an unbiased ML model? Here are the options. Reduce the size of training datasets. Option B. Ensure that the ML model predictions are consistent with the historical results. Option C. Create a different ML model for each demographic group. Option D. Measure class imbalance on the training dataset. Adapt the training process accordingly. Take your time to guess the correct answer. And the correct answer here will be option D. Measure class imbalance on training dataset. Adapt the training process accordingly. Because when developing an unbiased machine learning model, it's crucial to address issues like class imbalance in the training data. And class imbalance refers to the situation where certain classes are underrepresented compared to others. So option D, measure the class imbalance on training dataset and adapt the training process accordingly, is the correct option here. Now question number 95. Which prompting technique can protect against the prompt injection attack? Option A, adversarial prompting. Option B, zero shot prompting. Option C, least to most prompting. Option D, chain of thought prompting. Let me reveal the correct answer here, and the correct answer here will be option A, adversarial prompting, because this technique involves testing a model with deliberately crafted adversarial prompt to identify vulnerabilities to injection attacks. And by simulating potential attack during development, adversarial prompting help design robust prompt and refine the model's behavior to resist manipulation. So option A is correct here. Now question number 96. A company has fine-tuned a large language model to answer questions for a help desk. The company want to determine if the fine-tuning has enhanced the model's accuracy. Which metric should the company use for the evaluation? Here are the options. Precision. Option B, time to first token. Option C, F1 score. Option D, word error rate. Take your time to guess the correct answer. And the correct answer here will be option C, F1 score, because F1 score provides a balanced evaluation of model's ability to give both relevant and accurate answer, making it the most suitable metric for assessing the fine-tuned model's performance in answering help desk questions. So option C is absolutely correct here. Now question number 97. A company is using retrieval augmented generation RAG with Amazon Bedrock and a stable diffusion to generate product images based on text descriptions. The results are often random and lack specific details. The company wants to increase the specificity of the generated image. Which solution meets these requirements? Here are the options. Increase the number of generation steps. Option B, use the mask image black mask source option. Option C, increase the classifier free guidance CFG scale. Option D, increase the prompt strength. Take your time to guess the answer. And the correct answer here will increase the classifier free guidance scale, that is CFG. And this is because increasing the CFG scale will make the model pay more attention to the input text description, improving the specificity and detail of the generated image. So option C is correct here. Now question number 98. A company wants to implement a large language model based chatbot to provide customer service agent with real-time contextual responses to customer inquiries. The company will use the company's policy as the knowledge base. Which solution meets this requirement most cost effectively? This is the keyword here. Option A, retrain the LLM on the company policy data. Option B, fine tune the LLM on the company policy data. Option C, implement retrieval augmented generation for in context responses. Option D, use pre-training and data augmentation on the company policy data. Take your time to guess the correct answer. And the correct answer here will be option C, implement retrieval augmented generation for in context responses, because RAG is the most cost effective choice because it allows the LLM to dynamically retrieve relevant information from a predefined knowledge base at inference time itself without needing extensive fine tuning or retraining of the model, and most cost effectively is the requirement. So option C is correct here. Now question number 99. A company wants to create a new solution by using AWS Glue. The company has minimal programming experience with AWS Glue. Which AWS service can help the company use AWS Glue? And here are the options. Amazon Q Developer. Option B, AWS Config. Option C, Amazon Personalize. Option D, Amazon Comprehend. And I hope it must be obvious answer for you. So I am going to reveal the correct answer. And the correct answer here will be option A, Amazon Q Developer, because Amazon Q Developer is the service that would most help a company with minimal programming experience in their AWS Glue. It simplifies the process of building and managing data workflows, making it easier to use Glue without needing deep programming expertise. So option A, Amazon Q Developer is correct answer here. Now question number 100, and if you have reached up to this question, you should be able to clear this exam quite easily, because you will be able to answer more than 70% now, and the qualifying score is 70% in this exam. So you will be able to clear this exam, but there will be few more videos in this series, so I would request you to watch those as well to increase your score. So now let's come back to the question. A company is developing a mobile ML app that uses a phone's camera to diagnose and treat insect bites. The company wants to train an image classification model by using a diverse dataset of insect bites photos from different genders, ethnicities, and geographic locations around the world. Which principle of responsible AI does the company demonstrate in this scenario? Here are the options: fairness, option B explainability, option C governance, option D transparency. And the correct answer here, you can guess easily, so you can take your time to guess the one. And the correct answer here will be option A, fairness. Because in this scenario, company is demonstrating the principle of fairness by ensuring their training data includes a diverse range of demographics, preventing potential bias based on gender, ethnicity or geographic locations, which align with the core idea of responsible AI. So friends, this was all in this video. Have a great learning and thanks for watching this video.